Hi there. Welcome to Changes for a Lifetime. Today we're going to be talking about prepping for health. All you need to do is set aside an hour to an hour and a half and get your cut on. Stay tuned. Subscribe though, like, and share. Peace and blessings. These are my vegetables for the week. Cut them all up over a couple of days. This will last me the entire week. I've got zucchini, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, cauliflower, green pepper, sweet peppers. These go pretty fast. You gotta get those down. Carrots last a very long time, like over a week. Cherry tomatoes and onions last a good while also. So I can mix and match these, put them in a wrap. I can make a rice bowl with them. I can put them in a salad. I can put them in a soup. So this has plenty of uses. So I want you guys to try this. I think you'll enjoy it. Just get your cut on and enjoy. I also prep mushrooms, but I cook them first. I season them and then I cook them in a skillet and save them and add them as needed. As the mushrooms cook, they begin to get chewy and smaller, so you can tell they're becoming cooked. Then I'll add onions, garlic, just to enhance the flavor more. Every kitchen needs this tool. It's a hand grater. You can use it for garlic, ginger, lemon zest, orange zest. It is very useful. I'm adding a block of low tonic. I've frozen it and I added. It's a great seasoning as well as a tonic for the body. I'll link the information above. Yes, this is gonna be delicious. Granulated garlic, paprika, sometimes turmeric, sometimes cayenne. It depends on the flavor I'm trying to season the mushrooms with. It can take on any flavor. The waving of the hand brings the flavors to your nose. Well, it's just about done now. I'm gonna spoon this up into a bowl and eat it all. Having all the vegetables cut up allows you to mix and match any flavor that you want. This is my lunch for today. It took me under 10 minutes to whip this up, and it is going to be healthy. My smoothie, my maca moringa smoothie, stir-fried vegetables with tofu, and a garden salad. This is another vegetable medley. This is going to be used for wraps. Low carb, my very favorite. I got this from Walmart. Here's an easy tip. Put a flour shell right on top of your vegetables and it gets hot. Real simple. Just put little vegetables on here. So I'll be able to close it. One of my favorite dressings, Marie's caramelized onion. Once you ought to get, once you get the fold down, you fold it at the bottom. Bring it over, kind of push it in. Keep that bottom folded. And then you roll it. you should be able to pick it up and eat it. Whatever falls out, just put it back in. Voila. You probably eat 2 of these. Nice and simple and super quick. I'm gonna work on this. Another meal is doable, you all. Plant-based. So I hope you enjoy. This is a change you can put in your life. Peace and blessings. Thumbs up. You know I want you to subscribe. Talk to you next time.